Balochi saji is finally ready. Juicy, full of flavor. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Aj Rashid's kitchen. Our today's recipe is Balochi saji. Balochi saji is very famous Pakistani dish. It is made from mutton. It is part of Baloch tradition in Balochistan. It is very popular in Middle East. The cooking method is very easy and saji will be very tasty. Please like my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. I am cooking 2 types of saji. So let's start. Here I am taking 10 kg mutton, cutting in big size. I am taking salt, black pepper and ground spices. It is prepared with salt, red chili, cumin seed, turmeric, black pepper and cinnamon. Also taking stick branding. We also need 40 kg dry wood. I am cooking 2 types of saji. One is simple and other is spicy saji. Now I am cutting pieces with the help of knife. For simple saji, I am putting salt and black pepper. Salt, black pepper. Now for spicy saji, paste ground spices on the mutton. First I am putting salt. Now putting ground spices. Now leaving the mutton about an hour till marinate well. After 1 hour, mutton is fully marinated. Now branding the mutton in stick branding. Now mutton is ready for cooking. Let's start the cooking. Now putting the dry wood on the ground and starting combustion. Now wood is becoming red hot. This is called amber. Use to cook saji. Now fixing stick branding near the amber. Try to fix the branding little bit away and leave it for 4 hours. Turn over the branding. Balochi saji is finally ready. Juicy, full of flavor, very delicious to eat. Please like my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.